Running out of toilet paper in the middle of a crisis? No worries! Step 1. Grab some regular paper. Step 2. Start scrunching.
Keep scrunching!
Scratch to the extreme! After a while, the paper becomes soft. Soft enough to touch your bum. Let's try it now. It was weird, but it did the job. Just, I feel like maybe I could have made a little bit extra. You can do this with all sorts of paper. Old Sudoku paper. Old YouTube scripts. Last week's school notes. So now you know how to survive the toilet paper apocalypse. Have fun scrunching and remember to wash your hands. When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city to see a marching band. He said, son, when you grow up, would you be the savior of the broken? Disclaimer, avoid flushing this stuff down the toilet. Only real toilet paper is designed to break down in the sewage system. You may face embarrassment and unnecessary plumbing bills if you ignore this warning. This video is sponsored by my random tendency to hoard useless paper. Thank you and subscribe to help boost my narcissistic ego. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed my dodgy little toilet paper tutorial, but it does kind of work. It is a bit weird to use, but no, it does the job if you are really struggling to find any toilet paper because people are insane right now. But anyway, yeah, no, so I actually discovered this in high school because I was very bored in maths, and so I just grabbed paper and start scrunching it. And because I was like the good kid and like the you know, top of the class maths kid, I got away with this, sitting up the front just scrunching. One time I had the teacher stop everyone and be like, what are you doing? And I said, oh, I'm making tissue paper, because that's what I thought I was making at the time. And she's like, okay, carry on. Like maybe I was some kind of like genius thing going on there. No, I was just playing up. But yes, I used to make tissue paper, but it turns out it's actually kind of useful as toilet paper as well. And no, it turns out my mum back in Japan, like many years ago when she was still there, occasionally they would actually scrunch various papers if they had run out of, not really toilet paper, they used to have like toilet sheets of paper, like sort of square ones, so very different to what we have today. This is in Japan a long time ago. Every now and then she would sort of act as if it was because, like, you know, in telling us stories, as if it was like they were poor and all this kind of stuff. Turns out, no, they were quite comfortable, and it was just like if you couldn't be bothered to go and buy some more toilet sheets, you would just grab a bit of paper, scrunch it up and use that. But yeah, no, it works. That's kind of cool. One more thing to say though, with the flushability issue. So, yeah, I just chucked it in the bin after using it. If you are going to poo though, I think that's going to get a little bit gross pretty fast. So it's kind of like a desperation thing. I would say if you're running low on toilet paper, maybe you use scrunched up paper for your wheeze and then use proper toilet paper that you can flush for your number twos. Of course, this is probably more relevant if you're a chick. I don't know, do guys even wipe after doing a number one? Don't answer that question, I don't need to know. What else? Oh, toilet paper stocking. So if you're in Australia, I know it's a little bit hard, but every now and then, like I've seen friends posting where they've actually turned up, not even first thing in the morning, they've turned up and there's just been this huge wall of toilet paper. So there are places that are starting to stock it more. In Australia, we don't actually have a real shortage because we do a lot of our own manufacturing here. It's more of a distribution issue. But they've lifted the sort of curfews on trucks when trucks can make deliveries, and you know, they're ramping up production and all that kind of stuff. So I have a feeling if we wait like a week or two, once all the nut jobs are finished stocking up, we might walk in and find mountains of toilet paper and no one buying them because everyone's already got it. So we'll see how that goes. That's what I'm hoping anyway. I have enough toilet paper to last maybe another week. But yeah, no, we're keeping our eyes open. I will be fine, I guess, if I really have to do scrunching paper. It wasn't that bad. I think I might scrunch 2 sheets because it does get a little bit awkward because it doesn't behave the same way as regular toilet paper. But yeah, no, it's really crazy times we're living in, huh? I think that's all I have to say for now. I was gonna go on a bigger ramble, but I kind of just want to edit this together and hope it doesn't turn out too shitty. So that's all for now, and I will see you when I see you, and I have no idea because our internet is a little bit dodgy at the moment. So good luck. Stay safe, everyone, and wash your damn hands. Stay away from crowds, stay away from all the douchebags, and wash your damn hands.
I will tell you what I think is the best toilet paper ever. One, two, best toilet paper to open the fridge. I bought this from Rich's Primer Middle Bacon. 518 grams, $12.99 per kilo, cost me $6.73. Now you open it. It's real. It's a bacon, but you don't wipe this. You leave it there aside. Now, oh no, it's broken. Like I'm saying, like this. It's like origami paper. And then open the drawer. Where's my Let the scissors out and make it frame. I tried to make a frame, but let's forget that part. Now, this is, you're gonna be, all the stress, all the coronavirus stress will be into this paper. Oh, beautiful. So, how about this? Let's give this to Mariko to try next time she goes to the toilet.
I don't have enough in me, Mom. So this is your bacon toilet paper.
This is the bacon with butcher paper, straight into the underwater boat.
Alright, I got enough of the bacon paper, let's move on.